Okay, now I want to show you the mallets to put your wood together. Typically there's two different style mallets. You have one for like pre-finish, which is going to be the white. And the white, why we do that, it doesn't mar the floor. The black can, if you're doing unfinished, a lot of guys will use the black because it's going to get sanded off if it does leave black marks on it, not like a heel mark. If you look at this one, you can see how this angles, okay? And I like this one. Sometimes what we used to do, a guy that was actually putting the wood in to staple it, okay, he would use this one, and this is why. What you do, you put it here, and then this mallet, as you can see, will go at an angle and hit this wood, okay? Then you go ahead and turn, hit the staple with this, the gun. Some of the whites you'll have to probably replace the mallet head a little more than the black because it'll wear down a little faster. But at Pedaltown, we do have if you don't decide to do that, you can actually buy the mallet head, bring it, come in, bring your hammer. We'll actually take it off for you. I think we charge $5 to do it, it's well worth it, and put you a new one on.